After only recently admitting that we are in a bear market, pseudonymous Bitcoin analyst Plan B has given another important market update. In a string of tweets and replies, Plan B shares his most recent market outlook with his almost 2 million Twitter followers. The famous analyst and former institutional investor is the creator of the Bitcoin stock-to-flow model. Plan B is famous for making 3 accurate price predictions for Bitcoin in 2021. The anonymous market expert goes by the name Plan B to indicate that Bitcoin will become the world's Plan B when all fiat currencies become worthless. His 100 trillion USD username on Twitter also predicts that the US dollar will someday collapse to the level of the Zimbabwean dollars. Plan B's latest tweet calls the bottom for this bear market and states when a new bull market will begin. He also predicts what the rest of this halving cycle will look like. These are important updates for all Bitcoin investors and enthusiasts. We also have an important adoption update from El Salvador and President Bukele. So ensure you watch the video to the end and drop your reactions, comments, and observations in the comment section below. Enjoy the video. Let's begin with Plan B's main tweet. The analyst states that we have been in a bear market since the peak in April last year, and we are now creating a bottom. Here is his full tweet. Deck 2021, I was still hoping for a second leg of the bull market. But in Q1 of 2022, it became clear that this Bitcoin bull market was over. We entered a bear market since April 2021 peak. Yes, all-time high was November 2021. Now we are creating a bottom. Then a new bull market will start. Bitcoin cycles. In one of his replies to comments under his tweet, Plan B also talks about the possibility of another bull market followed by a bear market before the next halving. In response to a tweet pointing out that a bear market is different from what he earlier predicted, Plan B writes, "No, but that is why it is a prediction and not a guarantee. And we don't know what the next 2 years will bring. We could have 2 bull and bear cycles in one halving cycle this time. Time will tell." Though having 2 bull and bear cycles within the halving cycle is unprecedented, it is not impossible for an asset that had a lot of impressive feats in the past. Plus, with the number of adoption news coming out daily, it would be impractical to completely rule out a new all-time high before 2024. For those wondering how a recession and the Fed's quantitative tightening policies fit into Plan B's prediction that we are at the bottom of the bear market, the Bitcoin analyst says the market is priced in both already. I think heavy recession is already what markets expect. Thus, heavy recession is already priced in, the former institutional investor states in a tweet. In another reply tweet, Plan B writes, "QT is already priced in." The anonymous investor seems to be quite certain that we are nearing the bottom of the bear market and prices will soon shoot upwards again. What do you think about that? Let us know your thoughts and observations in the comment section below. In another reply, Plan B also took a swipe at investors who put money into unreliable crypto projects. This is his reply to a Twitter user who said their portfolio had dropped by 80%. How can you be down 80%? If you bought Bitcoin at the very top of $69,000, then you are now looking at a 57% decline. Leverage or shitcoins, Plan B adds. For the naysayers that chose to remind him he missed his last predictions, Plan B also wrote, "I made the 55K call in March 2019 when Bitcoin was below 4K, later updated the call to 100K. Bitcoin has been, on average, 40K since Feb 2021. That is a 10 times return. Quite sure not much institutional investors have done 10x in 3 years. By the way, stock-to-flow model does not call tops and bottoms. People blaming others for their investment performance will get wrecked over and over again. I did not tell you to buy. I did not tell you when to buy. I did not tell you how much to buy. You decided all that. Own it. By the way, not only true for investing, but for life in general, own it. So whatever you do, own your shit. On-chain analysts, technical analysts, traders, and other market experts only do their bits. The decision to invest or not lies completely in your hands. Away from Plan B and his predictions, we'd also have a bit of news from President Nayib Bukele of El Salvador. According to a tweet from the president, El Salvador is hosting 44 countries and Bitcoin is one of the topics that will be discussed. Here is President Bukele's tweet. 32 central banks and 12 financial authorities will meet in El Salvador to discuss financial inclusion, digital economy, banking the unbanked, the Bitcoin rollout, and its benefits in our country. The countries include Sao Tome, Paraguay, Angola, Ghana, Namibia, Uganda, Republic of Guinea, Madagascar, Haiti, Burundi, Eswatini, Jordan, Gambia, Honduras, Maldives, Rwanda, Nepal, Kenya, Pakistan, Costa Rica, Ecuador, El Salvador, Egypt, Nigeria, Senegal, Dominican Republic, Mauritania, Congo, Armenia, Bangladesh, Mozambique, Morocco, Sierra Leone, Zambia, Lesotho, Liberia, Sudan, Mongolia, Palestine, and Malawi. These are mostly developing countries that do not have the same opportunities as world powers like the United States, the UK, Canada, Japan, and China. Bitcoin will help reduce their dependence on the US and the US dollar. It will also prove that Bitcoin is the greatest asset any government, organization, or corporation can hold on its balance sheet. The IMF must be on DEFCON 1 with this many countries showing interest in talking about Bitcoin. This is what we love to see.
Today's episode is sponsored by iTrust Capital, the #1 crypto IRA platform in America. We allow you to invest in your favorite cryptocurrencies without worrying about taxes. That's right, iTrust Capital allows you to buy and sell your favorite cryptocurrencies completely tax-free. That means if you invest $10,000 into Cardano and it grows to $100,000, all of your profits are tax-free. Why is it tax-free? We took the existing retirement account industry and flipped it on its head. Instead of boring stocks and bonds, you can invest in crypto. How is it secured? Through Coinbase Custody, one of the leading cold storage providers with a $320 million insurance policy to protect against theft, hacks, and loss of funds. Roll over your existing retirement account, or even start a new one from scratch. Questions? Schedule a free call with one of our crypto retirement account specialists, and they can help you discuss your options. Start your crypto IRA today and retire early, only at iTrust Capital. Click the link in the description to open a free account now.
Thanks for watching the video. Remember to drop your comments below, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.